there's a, I would call him what, like a family friend who passed away. And I went for the funeral. And in the funeral, his children sang, I have a father. You know,
I have a father.
Yeah. Yes, who knows my name, that one. And that song, I'd never heard it. And it was at this church opposite Prestige almost. The African
Good Shepherd.
Good Shepherd, yes. So I heard it. And then it resonated with me somehow. Anyway, so now the reason I've remembered that, because now I come to 2004. The year starts, I'm starting it at a low, because I don't have the job, the receptionist job. And I'm just trying to remember. And I'm struggling. I'm so low, I'm so down. I'm so beaten, it feels empty anytime I go out and all of those. And I know this is not me. I have blown the window for going back without exposing myself to my parents. So I need to determine what needs to be done.
There's shame.
And there's shame. Actually, that's the word. There's shame. I am confirming again that the person I was in Kendi is who I am now. And I remember that song, which had been sung in April of 2003. I remember that song while I'm in my bed in my room. A friend of mine had invited me to ICC, International Christian Center, the one on
Mombasa Road.
Yes, they had invited me once or twice, and I had liked it. So then I tell God, this church, they have a service that's one at 8, the other one at 10. And I'm like, you and I, we've not had a relationship for some time. And I know I've gone, I'm not making you proud. But this is what is going to happen. I am at my lowest point ever possible. I am going to wake up. I'm going to dress up. I am going to go to ICC. I'm going to sit on the 3rd row from the front. And if the choir sings the song, I Have a Father, and then make an altar call, me, who's so embarrassed, who has to who has to look like the hip, because that time all the friends I have are people who go out, they don't do church, they do. I will stand, I will walk to the pulpit and give my life to you. Who is God? I show up in ICC, I sit.
3rd row.
3rd row. Sermon is said, the worship is done, the song is not sung. Worship is done, as in sermon, nothing. Offering, done, nothing. Benediction. The pastor, Pastor Chip Block, stands. And he asks the choir, will you please lead us in a song? We need to do an altar call. I have a father. That's the song. I had to wake up and walk to the pulpit alone.
Wow.
And I gave my life to Christ. That was on 29th February, 2024. This year, it will be 20 years.
What a story.
So now, we continue.
Now we pick a pause. We'll be back. What's the date today?